Hi guys, Ian at PaintTech, black gloss. To be fair, it's always been a bit of a challenge for us. We've generally had to use a solvent-based system. We were asked to respray these chairs. They came in already upholstered, so a bit of a challenge. As you can see, we masked everything. And then what we've done is we've given it a lot of prep. We were asked just to tidy them up. They didn't want us to go crazy with the prep, but because of what we were trying to achieve, we clearly did. So we've used the grey primer, then we've used 2 coats of the black gloss, and then we finished with a high build 90% lacquer. All of the products that we've used on this particular setup is from Symphony Coatings. So we've used the Renner products to achieve, to be honest, we're one of the best glosses we've achieved today in a water-based system. Not only does it feel fantastic, it looks fantastic, I also know it's going to be incredibly durable. So to be honest with you, I won't say it's been a challenge, it's actually been slightly easier than we anticipated. But the overall outcome, yeah, love it to bits. Really, really excited. We're going to do loads more of this.